So, are you an admin of a Facebook page and you're trying to remove yourself because you're no longer working for the organization and you just don't want to be able to see their posts or notifications or don't want that responsibility of anything going wrong? Well, I'm going to show you in this video how to remove yourself from a Facebook page. So, first and foremost, we're in just coming up to May 2023. So, this is how you do it in 2023, May 2023. So what you need to do, you need to, of course, sign into the page that you are trying to remove yourself from. So as you can tell, with Facebook now, there's so many different profiles that you will click in and out of. So now you have to sign in as the page. So I'm just going to go in and go to the page that I want to remove myself from. So once you're on that page, you then need to click on the actual profile of the page. So I'm going to go straight to the profile page. And this is where you'll have that access. This is where it's slightly different from some of the videos that you're seeing at the moment. So what you need to do is click on settings. And in the past, in this section, you would have seen page roles, but it's different now. It's now within new page experiences that you can see here. So you click on new page experience. And this is where, if you still have admin access, this is where you'll see who has access to this particular page. So all I'm going to do, this is me. I'm going to go to these three dots and it says remove access. And then you just got to enter your password. Once you've entered your password, and if it's correct, you remove, then it's confirmed. So that's how you remove yourself from a Facebook page.